How to back your character up. What do I mean by that? How do you back up your character? I'm about to tell you, so don't go away. So, welcome back to Thompson Approach Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. I'm so excited to tell you this. I've been thinking about it all day, and here I am, boom, for you. Listen. All right, grab a notebook and your pen, something to write with. If nothing else, put it on your notepad on your phone. Okay, so when you back someone up in life, because acting is life, life is acting, right? When you back someone up in life, have you ever backed someone up in life? You supported their beliefs, you took action, you were consistent with them, and you stood by them, right? Okay. There's a lot of characters out there in different movies that you can probably relate to right now. I know I can. So how do you back a character up? You're the actor, right? You're the actress. You back them up. I've said that enough now. Now I want you to write down B.A.C.K. B.A.C.K. It's an acronym that I made up, and that's what I'm so excited about. So listen, this is great. All right. The first thing I want to share with you is something you already know, I am sure, is everybody has a backstory, don't they? Anybody, if you're 3 years old, you're just starting out in life, you're developing a backstory. You're developing your belief system and what you believe and what you don't believe and what you act on and what you don't act on, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. When you're 80 years old, okay, you have a backstory, a longer one, a bigger history book. Okay, that's why I tell people everybody can write a book. Now, what a backstory is, I want you to take the word back and take the word story and separate them. Okay, what do you get? You get backstory or BS. Okay, no, I'm not talking like that. Backstory is belief system. We have a system of beliefs that we create, okay, by ourselves, with others, and we live by them, don't we? Yes, we do. And the stronger our belief, the more action we take on that, and the more instilled that belief comes and lives inside us, just like a character. Go figure. Because, characters are written by people. So here we go. Now remember backstory. It's important. We'll get back to that in a minute. The B stands for beliefs. Okay, the B stands for, write it down, beliefs. Right? Everybody, at the risk of repeating myself, everybody has a belief system. Everybody has a certain belief that they adhere to concerning God, concerning others, and concerning themselves, and how they perceive and believe what they see in the mirror reflecting. Okay. And characters aren't any different. I remember one great movie, and it's a happy movie, it's a funny movie, I love it, is Matilda. You remember Matilda? Yeah, I love that movie. It's so cute. It's so amazing. All right. And the little girl, Matilda, believes in books, and she loves to read books. Okay. She has such a strong belief in it that she does everything within her power to continue to read and to learn and to grow. Okay. And her parents, Danny DeVito and his wife, by the way, that's his wife, they are not too keen on her developing her intellect. Okay. And it's hilarious. You got to see it if you haven't seen it. That's her belief. All right. And she believes so strongly that she takes action. Action. A-C-T-I-O-N. That's your A, by the way. Action. A-C-T. You act on something. You act on your belief. That makes sense? Good. I'm glad you're with me. All right. So you have your belief, and then you have action. You take action on your belief. How strongly your character or you believes something, they will take a level of action. It could be very strong, like Matilda, or it could be very weak. Maybe you're not sure about what you believe, so every once in a while you do it. You take action on it. which brings us to the letter C. The letter C is big, okay? It exemplifies how strongly your belief is. So let me show you. Tell you. Okay. The C stands for consistency. It also stands for commitment and confidence, because the stronger you believe, the more committed you are, the more consistent you are, and the more action you take because you have more confidence. Okay. So you have B, you have A, you have C. All right. I'm about to tell you the K, but not right now, because I want you to think about what you already learned. So we have the belief system. We have the backstory. Okay. Our past, or our character's past, represents their actions in their present, which leads to their future, right? Okay. So backstory, your BS is very important, your beliefs. You take action, you're committed or not, you're inconsistent or consistent, you have level high of confidence, or maybe you have not a lot of confidence in it, so you don't believe as much as what you think, and your back is a little weak, you know, your support system is a little weak. There's all characters out there, as we well know. But the K, okay, the K is fantastic. And I'll tell you why. Because it applies to you, the actor, okay? Here it is. Kinetic memory. Kinetic memory. Now, what is that? Is some sort of mysterious terminology that only very intelligent aliens can figure out? No. Kinetic memory is muscle memory. Now, actors act. We move physically somehow, some way, whether it be this on camera, okay, or whether it be full out a sprint across the studio, across the set, okay? So we act, like I'm moving my hands right now. We act, right? Okay, I'm glad we agree. As we act on the lines that we read in the script, and as we move, we create a memory. We create how a character sits, how they get up, how they walk, how they run, how they don't move except their eyes because they're paralyzed, you just pick a character and you'll see what I mean. Perhaps you have played many different characters, many roles. Perhaps you're an aspiring actor. I don't know, but I do know this. Movement is action. Movement is acting. If you don't move, you're not acting. That makes sense? Have you ever walked through a store and seen a mannequin? Okay, they're not acting. They're just standing there. Okay, they're just standing there, not acting. There's no life in them. They don't move. Okay, and this is why we have to continue to improve our kinetic memory as actors, because acting is all about what? Self-discovery. Self-discovery. We exercise, we dance, we sing, we move, we're extroverts, okay? Right? We're also introverts, you know, when it comes to studying the script, but ultimately we need to keep moving in order to be active as actors and as human beings, of course. So the K stands for kinetic memory. Now, how does that all tie in? Let's review it, okay? Number one, you have a backstory. Everybody has a backstory or their BS. The B stands for beliefs. What do you believe? How strong do you believe it? Because that will indicate how much you act on what you believe, how committed you are, how consistent you are, and how confident you are, okay? That's the character. Your job is to develop a kinetic memory as you marry your movements. This is good. As you marry your movements with the words. Marriage, you engage with the character, okay? You support their back, you hold them up, okay? With your actions, okay? So you marry your actions, your movements with the words on the script. And pretty soon you get the script out of your hand and then you can move freely. Okay. So I want you to remember this today. I want you to share this with people. Okay. I want you to share this video. Please share it because it's really important. And I know this will help you. If you need help in your acting career, in overcoming self-doubt, fears, I am here for you. Visit me at davidthompsoncoaching.co. Okay. davidthompsoncoaching.co. And we can set up a 45-minute free consultation, and I will back you up as your coach. All right. See if we click, and if we do, I can help you. So again, subscribe to this channel, please. Thompson Approach Academy. And remember this. Of course, you can watch it again and again if you want. And like it and share it with your fellow actors. All right. I gotta go, but I will see you on the flip side. Enjoy your day. And remember, acting is movement. Bye-bye.